People. You put your tongue back in.
You say I am the fluffiest cat and have the best toe beans. How do you know? Have you fluffed all the cats? Seen all the toe beans?
Come on, little brother. Let's see if you can make the keys go. Oh. Ah! Yep, he can.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
My child is completely fine.
What is it? Where is it, baby? Where's your mom?
Oh!
Tell me about your life nowadays. You guys work?
I'm a social media influencers.
So you do a lot of social media stuff. So you're at home a lot?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you get out of the house much?
No.
He's gonna close the door again, right? What are you doing?
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable.
He's gonna go under the rug, right? Yeah, there he goes.
My child is completely fine.
Sir, the avocado toast was just not that good.
Human. Why drink poop? This is poop. My mom put me on a diet BC. She said I need to lose weight. Well, Farron, you've gained a few pounds yourself. Maybe you need to lose some weight? I see you eating all those Oreos and chips. Maybe go run a mile or two.
Oh man, did you hear that? My stomach really was my stomach growling. I'm starved. I warned you not to eat all your rations. What do you do?
Oh, hold on to it tight. Mia, say hi. But you just woke up.
One more time. Tell me what to do. Wee. One more time. Wee.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are best friend.
If cat not cloud, why so fluffy? If cat not ice, why so cold? If cat no want to help cook, why always on counter? Tell me that.
Cat loaf technique check. Today we have Odette. She is loafing on a couch. We can see that those front paws are completely invisible. Tail also gone. Back legs even. Straight body. This is a perfect loaf. 10 out of 10.
Mackenzie, what do you want to do? Do you want to cuddle? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to murder? We can't murder. I'm sorry.
This is difficult. You're difficult. I let you. Oh my gosh, I almost bonked you. Oh God, don't fall. Ha! Whoo, dad reflexes, yeah. Yes, I let you.
Sometimes with long hair cats, they don't like to be brushed. But with Salem, that is not a problem. You like brushy? You want more?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
He's like, are those my babies?
Oh my goodness.
Thursday Night Bink Fetch, starring Gizmo.
Hey.
Princess, come here. I want to show you something. Oh, you're such a beautiful girl. Hi.
Good morning. Do you want to go outside? It's snowing. It's pretty cold out there. I can hear the snow plow. We got snow last night. I bet you the door's frozen shut. There you go. Yeah. There's a plow down there. They hate plows, by the way. Well, this was fun. Do you want a treat instead? Some bam, 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 bams?